Hello, all you lovely people. Yeah, we have mics now. We're professional.
What up? We've been had them, but we didn't have the mixer to go with.
We've got the setup to do this now.
Yeah.
So we're back again. Phoenix did it again. This time, the little man has decided to hide in the background and try some things. And this will be interesting.
Look. Go ahead and say hi. You here too.
Oh, hi.
She in the background. Listen, so y'all gonna hear her voice, and I think we explained it to you in one other video. She will not go on camera. That is a privacy thing, but she is still very much here.
Which is fine. We still love her for it. I mean, there's gonna be a day where she's gonna be like, you know what? I want to be on camera. We're gonna. I doubt it. Are you sure?
I doubt it.
It's all good. I'm
okay.
I really doubt that.
This time,
I'm with y'all in spirit.
Stupid Absolutely. Capo. It's from the Philippines. We need the little Asian with us. So we all have a mutual friend who is actually from the Philippines. That's going to be interesting.
Absolutely.
Oh, God. Today has been a day. It's been a day doing it. Had to go get the phone fixed and all this crap. It's just been a day.
It's just one of those.
Anyway, Phoenix did it. Snack Crate has hooked us up again. Oh, look, right there. It's right there. Ooh, sneaky. We got little sneaky snacks from the Philippines. Oh, that's cool. And they included the flag yet again. 6 hours later. See, I try not to tear the flag stickers because they're really nifty, and I like them, and I'm weird like that. Let's just go ahead.
Right.
Oh shit! Stuff falling everywhere. This thing was jam packed. Look at all that. Oof. Okay. It's a low energy day for us today. Fairly low energy day. Wouldn't you say?
What up, fool? Yeah! Okay, there we go.
Yes. Pipe Bites, Chippies, Quake Cake. That's just weird to say.
Sorry, I'm handling business.
Waffles.
I apologize.
Boing! Oh, that's weird filling chocolate.
Okay, well that's
not a bad weird. Dried mangoes.
Yeah, let's get it.
I don't know.
Let's get it. Yo,
pick one.
Man, yeah, there you go. You're new to the
pick one.
You're new to the whole thing.
No.
Of course you would pick
the Cloud 9.
You're trying to get high.
Of course he goes with the chocolate first. Oh,
it's chocolate.
Blurry eye. Ugh, I'm dying, guys.
Yo, guys, I gotta let you guys know every time. You know what I'm saying?
He got his hair did.
See, I got the drop fade now, but it's cool. Anyway.
This has got a lot of nougat in it. I have a feeling you're probably not going to like it.
No, I got him. I'll say.
Okay.
Here, bro. Little bro. It's that faux Snicker.
So a thicker?
Is it really a Snicker?
Yeah, it's a faux Snicker.
No, it's not really more of a Snicker. It's more like a... What do they call it?
Tastes like a protein bar on the cool. You actually eat some more.
No. It's a candy with an M.
Milky Way?
More like Milky Way.
Those are gross.
Luscious caramel, crunchy peanuts, soft nougat, rich chocolate. Snickers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wait, hold up. Does this have marshmallow in it?
No. Why? Not a fan of marshmallow?
No, the gelatin, remember?
Oh, yeah. No, it has nougat.
So that wasn't bad. What you think, Zach?
Snickers is better.
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Of course he does.
Of course he does. It's candy. Why wouldn't he like it?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
No.
I'm Gucci.
You want it, Zach?
Zach's like, pass that off to me. Okay.
You know what? I'm curious about this. The ube cake.
So I'll give that a solid like
Yeah.
a solid
Because
6.
Ube is a potato. It's like a sweet,
I love potatoes though.
It's like a sweet potato.
I had to keep checking, make sure my mic's on. We did a test hit on this, and my mic was off. I don't know. Let me see that.
Smells like
Oh.
cookie.
I'm good.
Is it soft?
Want to smell? Oh yeah, it's spongy, soft and spongy.
And it's purple, like your birthday cake.
Yeah, so her birthday was not too long ago, and I baked her a cake, and
Bro, that's
it was
garbage.
Purple.
That shit is garbage. It has like no taste to me. It's like extremely dry.
Yeah.
Oh hell no.
Yeah,
I'm good.
no taste at all.
No, you gotta try it.
Oh. I
Yeah.
don't need to.
In the spirit.
Ay, nako. Fine. Like.
Just a little pinchel.
Damn, she took half the cake away. And it's like super dry.
I hate cake. Like
It's
that.
like-
That just reminds me of like cake.
It's like spongy dry.
It's
Alright,
so
so
That's
cheeks.
it.
good.
What are you doing, child?
Making a mess.
Tearing stuff up. The cheek box. Oh, you want to do the mangoes?
Yes.
She's like,
Get on camera then.
do the mangoes. Mangoes.
I love
So this is gonna be the
dried.
worst part for me.
You don't like mangoes?
I hate them. And fun. So a little bit of a funny story too behind that.
Oh yeah, smell that.
My
that is,
aunt,
That is mango.
my aunt that I can't stand loves mango, so it makes me hate them even more.
Oh, I love dried. Like any. Like I love like dried mangoes. Like dried anything. Gimme.
Now don't hand me nothing. I gotta go in here and see. I gotta see what the smallest piece they got is. Oh my god, none of them are
Here.
small.
Here.
Little tiddly bit.
That's bigger than my piece.
You're gonna pass.
No, Zechariah. In the spirit of the video. You gotta do it in the spirit of the video.
He said, "Hell no."
You're such a little turd, you know that?
No.
That's fucking gross.
You're a turd.
Don't worry, people. We'll wait.
No.
Oh, we'll wait. Get back here.
I don't like that. Hold on, let me go back for a second. Just
As he goes and picks up a Nerf gun, like that's gonna stop me. I'll just take it away from him.
Oh.
nah, I'm good.
Any dried fruit is so good. Like dried pineapples are so good.
Quit making noise.
I'm not a fan. I don't hate it, but I'm not a fan.
I
Being
just don't like
super
mangoes.
loud. Put it down.
Yeah, I hate them.
If I hear that thing
These
turn
are,
up
but this
at
is really
all
sweet.
through this video,
I think they put something on top of it.
yeah, it's definitely sweetened, but it's definitely mango. I mean, there's
Yeah, no,
there's
for
no mistaking that. That is mango. Oh yeah, it's got the mango aftertaste and everything.
It tastes horrible.
How would you know you didn't even try it?
It smells horrible.
No, okay, I'll give him that one. we're going boy boing.
Yeah, right.
No, really, that's what they're called, boy boing. I don't get that, but you know.
So I will say, even though I hate mangoes, they were solid. Like if I liked mango, I could probably smash them, but I don't, so I won't.
Oh, these are corn nuts. These are straight up corn nuts.
That's exactly what they
What
are.
are corn nuts?
Exactly what they sound like.
These nuts, corn.
When you play this back, you're gonna hear me say these nuts too, just before you said it.
Yep, those are corn nuts.
Oh,
It says corn. It says corn nicks on the front.
They're trying to PG it.
Hold
I'm
on.
gonna stick to my mango.
Hold on. Slide them back.
He found a tasty.
Oh snaps! Oh these
They smack.
Oh, these bangers.
Chew it first, and then
Oh.
you can talk.
these bangers right here.
He got me interested.
Look, that's a cold ass wedding, dog.
You didn't like them?
A cold ass wedding. These bangers.
Oh, they actually do something.
Yeah.
This is right here.
That one.
This is like 412s in the back of a Honda. It's banging.
Sir, that's what we call exploding.
Damn. Say it.
Like a virgin on prom night.
Hit me with them corn nicks. What you mean?
We'll go with the barbecue chips.
Oh my. He's like,
It's a cold ass wedding, dog. It's a cold ass wedding, dog.
stop your nonsense.
These you might want to refrain from.
Oh my god.
It's not a Phoenix video if there's not a burp.
Look at that corn chips.
No flavor.
It tastes like
You
regular.
like Fritos?
Stuff.
It tastes like regular Fritos, like regular corn chips. That's exactly what they taste like.
Do you ever eat Frito-Lays?
So I won't say that they're cheeks. Hold on, let me go back in for a second. You know, this Jack and Jill's. I ate some for Jack. Let me eat some for Jill.
Actually. Are those Jack and Jills?
Mm-hmm. A second go back, they're all right, but they still taste like Frito chips.
They're just Fritos. Like if I wanted Fritos, I'd go buy a bag of Fritos.
So he's making a grand appearance too in the video. I'm gonna slide up.
Sliding into your DMs over here.
Turtle.
This right here is what I call my little lady killer.
No.
Because that's exactly what he's going to be.
What?
So I was thinking that they were churros.
You can smell the vanilla coming out of it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Smells like vanilla
It
ice
smells sweet.
cream. Smells like vanilla ice cream.
So I'm not even gonna play no games. I'm gonna go in for twos because I'm almost certain that I'm gonna like these. And I was wrong.
They're alright.
Hold on.
You know what they taste like? You know the wafer cookies? The layered vanilla wafer cookies? Throw a little cinnamon on them.
I mean, I could oh, they're white chocolate. That's why
That's
they have
why they
that.
taste like crap.
It is white chocolate.
Cheeks!
Smell like
I
vanilla
love-
with a very
Oh, you're
strong
like, oh.
smell.
They're not, I'm
come
wrong.
back-
And then you're like
you come back
tasting
for
them.
seconds, they're
Tastes like
better.
fruit.
He is the comeback king.
Like, oh no, I'm
You
wrong.
want
I'm
more,
gonna
Lily?
get some more.
Mm-mm. I'm good.
Want another one?
Let's go with the La La. We're going into La La Land.
They're so lame.
Oh,
So this bag didn't make it very far.
is it good or is it sad that we were on the same page?
I would say it's good. I don't know.
Go
I
with
just
my
remember
mic.
the movie
Oops.
La La Land, so I was like, oh, it's La La Land. I don't know
As
what
he's
you were
over here
referring to.
throwing shit around. Oh, La La Land's just an old school turn of phrase.
Oh,
Yeah.
I just remembered the movie.
They're like when days out.
It's like when you're dazed and confused, which is another great movie that I'm sure she probably hasn't seen.
Mine is about 5.
I don't think it's even 5 minutes in. And
Mm.
I'm almost done with that.
That's kind of the point. Very fudgy.
I'm not sure how I feel about that one, just from the smell alone.
Yeah.
Give me a break. Give me.
One
Thank
for
you.
One for you. One for you.
I don't know if I want to.
No. No.
What the hell?
No. No.
What?
No. No.
This tastes like an Arabic thing.
Hold on.
Hey!
Decline that shit.
No.
Send that shit back to sender. Oh, he digging.
You like it?
Hey,
Cool.
It tastes like an Arabic. There's one of this Arabic like candy or whatever. It has like this thing in it.
I had
No,
to-
I don't want it. I don't want it.
I had to deny that shit.
I mean, they're not bad. I just don't like the texture. It's the texture.
I don't like that.
It's just.
That's gross.
Oh.
It tastes like an Arabic thing. I don't like it, but it tastes like it.
All right,
I didn't
Lindeni.
say anything.
Lindeni, pick one.
Pick
Oh.
one.
Oh, okay.
You grab you one.
This-
That's gross. Like, hey, you remember? So you remember that day? We did. Was it? No, it wasn't India. I think it might have been Japan. Maybe it was
Japan?
Turkey. When they had that chocolate that was real fudgy like, but it was like real. Oh no, yeah, it was Japan. It was the little dollar,
Yeah.
like the little yen or whatever. That chocolate was actually really, really good. It was more fudgy.
Oh yeah.
But
it
that
was the
chocolate-
good fudgy though.
Yeah, that right there was just booty cheeks, booty butt
I think
cheeks.
that one's gonna be decent. Or actually good.
Oh damn! Look what I did. I just smashed it. I guess that's all mine.
Whole freaking smash over here.
Oh, the outside's actually solid too. Well,
It's really easy to break.
Yeah, you got nails. Give it a pinchel.
oh, that wasn't bad.
No.
Good thing we got another one. Okay, guys, look on the inside of that. Tell me that does not look like a swirl of fudgy poo.
It's good.
That's not bad.
Fudgy poo.
That was so. I'm assuming that's the exact same thing right there. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
hell no. This has coffee candy.
Coffee candy.
You don't like coffee?
Mm-mm, no, sir.
Remember she? Yeah.
I say this all the time.
You remember that time when we was in the group message? You was like, "I'll bring you coffee," and she's like, "I don't
Oh,
drink
yeah.
coffee." Yeah.
No, I've slept since then.
Yeah. She's missing out. Get you a good caramel macchiato. A macchiato. Look
No.
at this. See this hand? Smack. The macchiato smack. Damn. You know what I realized? Every single one of these videos we've done, they do not play about the packaging.
Hell no, they don't.
Like, you will not walk into one of their stores in the Philippines or in India or in Japan and just tear one of their things and eat the stuff out of the store. Like, that smells like cereal.
You ain't got to worry about nobody going in and licking the top of it and
No.
putting it back, neither.
No.
That tastes like.
If I
that
catch
smells like
anybody doing that, I'm going to bust you right there in that store. And then you're going to buy it.
I don't care.
You open it, you buy it. You break it,
Okay.
you buy it.
Hurry up and buy. I'm already telling you I don't like this. Like,
Oh, that's strong coffee flavored.
That was coffee.
well, he's
Damn
ordering
it.
them now. I don't like them.
A Choco Soak snack.
Where does it say that it have coffee, huh? Does it not say it has coffee? 'Cause
Nope.
it sure fucking tastes like it.
It's actually chocolate milk.
Coffee milk.
You pick one.
Oh,
You've already tried that.
No, that's what we had.
let's get this Prima. So here's the thing. I love toast.
Oh my god, it's actually
Which
little
one is
toast.
this?
That's the waffle.
Oh, look, they bring it. It's already cut in 4 pieces, and just so happens
That there's
there's 4 of us here. Oh my goodness.
Those are literally like mini
Oh, that is
toast.
straight up toast.
Oh, that's good.
I want more.
Try it first.
It's straight up toast.
No, this is good.
Don't give me some
This tastes like a
cinnamon
dried out
butter.
piece of bread.
I'm not. s-
Kind of what it is.
Yeah.
Fred. Fred.
It's like a dried French toast. Well, give it to your Uncle Jay. Hell yeah, shit.
I like
Don't
the
joke on it.
flavor. It's too hard.
Hmm?
I like the flavor. It's just too hard.
That's what she said.
With the baby in the video.
You had to do it for them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go with the condensed milk.
Even though I don't care.
He's heard worse.
That was actually really, really good, though. I am shooketh by the toast.
Aha! What the sh?
He's
Funny
getting
bone.
old.
Funny bone.
I ain't say nothing.
I did that little face app thing and saw what I looked like with white hair and looking all old and shit.
It's 18 minutes.
I was like, good God. Thank you, timekeeper.
Shut up. Look, he says that's what she said, and I abused the kid on camera. What's going on? What is wrong with the world today?
Stop it, Justin.
Shut up. Shut up. He's a good kid, though.
This is why we can never get anything done when he's around.
He's a good kid. You know, he gave his. He didn't want to come out when I got here. He didn't want to come out and speak, but I walked in the back where he was at. I was like, "You ain't gonna give your uncle a hug?" He jumped right up and gave me a hug.
I
He's like-
didn't know
he's-
you were. I didn't know you were.
I
here.
told you he was
Yeah,
here.
he's a really
No,
good
you
kid,
didn't.
though. He's a really good kid.
I was too busy listening to my
Uh,
video.
So you gonna give us this triple layer stacked saltine cracker? The filling is pretty good.
It doesn't smell like anything.
It's condensed milk. He didn't like it.
I think it's pretty solid.
Not one bit.
This is definitely an old person food.
reminds me of the cracker of Wendy's.
You want some more?
That's for an old person who still has all their teeth. Because that motherfucker's crunchy.
You'll be gumming this all to death.
Nom, nom, nom.
Nah, bro, they just, people with no teeth, they just produce more spit. They just
That's
sit it in there.
That's pretty good right there.
More spin.
They just produce more spit.
Saliva.
I know you're not talking. Let's not talk about your English.
Oh, no, play that game now.
Quit being weird.
Mr.
Dad.
Quick commercial break while they hammer this out. This is
Okay.
the fun part.
Okay, we hanged out.
You're hanging out.
You have no excuse to be bad at English. I do. I have two other languages.
No,
okay?
but when we were out and about that one day, you was like, I perfected English first.
I did not say
You
that.
did? Did she not?
It's in. You're
Did she
going
not?
around.
I'm not in this.
No, you were there.
Phoenix is not in this.
Oh, did she not? She was like, I perfected English first, then Arabic, then Spanish.
So we're gonna move on to the Quake cake.
Got fired.
Bitch.
Got fired.
It was closed.
So just so y'all know, she threw a snack at me.
Are you done clamoring around?
Nope.
Fucking weirdo. I don't know who his father is. Oh wait.
Them corn nicks on point though. I ain't even had the corn nicks in about 8 snacks.
It's a chocolate Twinkie. Very dry chocolate Twinkie.
So here's the thing. So I know I'm all about the in the spirit of things.
You're out on this one.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So just for you guys that don't know, brownies are a hit or miss for me. Just kind of depends. Like brookies, I love those. But like actual brownies and like chocolate cake,
I don't know. This looks like you might like it.
I'm very un-American in certain ways. Like I don't like Oreos either. Give me like a small piece. Like give me like half of that. Are you gonna like it?
That's
Yeah, I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like this.
What?
It's very cake brownie-esque. Like I don't like this.
Please.
Boy, I'm up.
Y'all should have seen him about 3 weeks ago. He actually used to have long hair that was blue.
Yeah.
And he took the rest of it. Yep.
I ain't even mad at you. Go on.
Uh-uh.
Go on with it.
You know what that reminds me of? Like triple chocolate cake.
Very dry.
But I'm saying that's a very dry version of
All
it.
right. Philippines. The makers of the cake thing that we were just eating that I forgot the name of.
though. I don't even know. You have the wrapper. There it is right there. Quake.
The Quake cake. Can I give you Jack and Jill?
This dude went and brought rolls over here.
Go put that back. Go put it back.
That dude bought
Now.
rolls. That ain't even from the Philippines. Hawaiian rolls from Walmart.
I'm about to throw them.
Phoenix was about to throw them.
Anyway.
Oh no, these are coffee.
Put pudding mix in with your cake mix. It'll keep it moist. Chef life.
But y'all already knew that.
Sorry.
Open the damn cake. Open the cracker.
Do me the favor.
Oi!
This video won't make it to the internet. I will be convicting myself.
When Denny's over here like, hey, quit that crap.
Oh, get my scar.
Look, it ain't no nice scar if you do it yourself.
It's
It has
still
to be it has to be a battle like
but
scar.
people don't know I did it to myself.
So you're gonna be lying to everyone.
It's
and
on the
yourself?
internet, stupid.
This is just recording right now. I'll cut this part out.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I'll just edit out the part where I gave myself a badass
That
scar.
involves doing too much work.
Yeah, I hate work. You know one of the jokes they say, if you
Do what you love, never work a day in your life.
no.
It's easier to upload it. than
Okay, what did he say? I don't remember. Oh, you want to hide a paycheck from a black man? Put it under his work boots.
On his welfare check under his work boots.
Yep.
Boy, don't mind me.
That one's not as good as the first one was. I didn't like that.
Cheek box. Here, we'll
Try it.
Oh, you liked it?
No.
Did you like it?
That's alright.
I'm smacking this mic around like it ain't nothing. I am an abusive alcoholic to this mic. I'm smacking this mic all over the place. Shut up, bitch.
No. Go make my supper.
Shut up, bitch. Shut up. Get up. Get up.
That's what y'all be doing at the end of the night.
Shut up.
To ourselves.
Shut up, bitch.
Y'all aggressive. Just
You gotta treat it a certain way.
Satan.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Look,
I'm telling
Jesus
Satan.
ain't here right now. He can't help
Look, I'm
you.
telling Satan to take the wheel right now.
Hello, you have reached Jesus Christ. We are no longer in service. Well,
To you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Nope.
coffee.
I love coffee, but that is black with a little bit of sugar. No, thank you.
Like you.
Hold on. So for you guys that said,
Did you see me working that out in my head? Did you see the wheels turning on that one?
look at this, man, this thing. Oh shit, we almost the same color. Fuck, never mind. No, actually, we're not.
Here you are.
If you look, you know what I'm saying, like you can clearly put that on there and you can tell.
That's your hand.
Bro, what are you saying, though, bro?
I like it.
Yeah, I'm not a coffee candy kind of person.
I'm the coffee person of this whole group anyway.
I like coffee.
No, you like what we call your coffee, which is just hot chocolate.
No,
Yeah.
I drink coffee.
Check me
Okay,
out,
whatever.
digging in his nose. Check me out.
Remember, kids, you can pick your friends,
But
Pick your nose,
Your family.
but you can't pick your friend's nose.
Listen, you gotta be careful. Something might come out.
They're a bear in the cave.
Yeah, might be. Might be.
Farmer spit.
Yeah, right. All right.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
Got a little heated there for a second. Would you stop?
No.
Y'all excuse me for just a moment. Put it up.
Boom.
Phoenix did it. Applause now. Applause. Applause.
Yep.
So what was y'all's favorite one?
The one in my mouth.
The
currently.
two that I ate, the whole thing up. Oh no, this one
The two that I
and the little
stole.
waffle one was actually pretty solid. Oh, and the little knockoff churros are pretty good too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was that?
Gee, what was your favorite one?
No.
The one you've been snacking on the whole time.
Yeah.
She has not stopped. She likes it. Hey, Mikey, she really likes it.
I do really
dang.
like the twirl one. Those like a stick.
Those are pretty
It's
solid.
actually funny. I work with a guy named Mike now. So
Mike.
I did that the other day. Mike. He goes, what? Hump day. Anyway.
That wedding, dog. Oh, that wedding.
We love y'all. Y'all have fun. This was fun.
Back your parents.
Apparently, we're chucking stuff at each other now.
She immature.
Keep in mind, Phoenix did it. Hey. Time for shameless plug. Shh.
You heard him.
Y'all keep him. You too, stupid.
I ain't say nothing.
Mr. Cold ass wedding over here.
Oh,
Shameless plug, Maverick J for the podcast. We've got a bunch of them going up as he dances like an idiot. Look here, Bernie Sanders.
I'll pull my shit out. This whole room will go dark.
Oh my God.
A Maverick's Perspective, Spotify, iTunes, Podcast, Castbox, Google Podcasts, all that good stuff. Go to Facebook, Maverick J, Twitter, J_Jester. Comment, like, follow, all that good stuff. Definitely support the podcast as well. Anchor.fm.
As y'all have seen from a previous video that we currently have uploaded, we're also starting to do, on this channel, we're going to be doing like tutorials on how to cook at home, how to make meals for your family, things like that. Unfortunately, she couldn't be a part of the last one because it was pork, and pork bad for her, which we respect. So the next one we're going to do, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet, but it's either going to be a fish or beef. At some
No
point,
chicken.
Yeah, no, we'll do chicken. We'll do chicken. There's so little you can really do with chicken.
What you
I mean, we might do a chicken.
Fried chicken.
I might do a cordon bleu.
I'm just saying. I'm just kidding. You do whatever you want to do.
Cordon orange.
Cordon bleu, man. Orange chicken.
Oh my god.
Thank you, Bob. He always makes an appearance. But yeah, we're going to be doing tutorials teaching y'all how to cook at home because I really think that we all need to get back into the kitchens at home and do your best to stay away from all of the fast food and crap. Give us a like down below. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Don't be spamming. I've already got a spammer on there, and that's annoying. Okay, well you can hang on, and you don't have to come all fucking vampire Count Dracula Nosferatu in my ear.
I want to suck your blood.
If this was a porno. But yeah, so
Shameful plug.
No, yeah, very shameful plug.
Nah.
But yeah, we're gonna be doing that. Again, let us know what you think. If you have any things that you want us to try or anything you want us to do. At some point, I'm gonna get this fool to do the Satan's Toe challenge with me.
I'm just waiting on him to buy 'em.
And now this is out there, so now we have to.
What?
Oh,
What's-
Satan's Toe.
What's that?
It's like,
Spiciest lollipop in the
Oh,
world.
hell no.
yeah, it's like
Spiciest thing in
they
the
say
world.
it's
I'll
like,
let you get a lick.
it's like 3 million times hotter than a jalapeno.
No.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna be turbo shitting. No, sir.
I have 3 water bottles sitting here open.
I'm gonna be tummed
That
up.
looked like Jack Black.
Yeah, I'm gonna be tummed up. Tum.
All right, so anyway, as I said, we love y'all. Thank you for coming by and joining in on the fun. Hope y'all enjoyed it and y'all have fun. What did you want to say?
Turtle wants to stay. If you see a banana with white spots on it, don't eat it. Throw it away.
There you go.
And let us be
From
out.
his mouth to the mic. Love y'all. Have a great one. Bye.
Peace.
Peace.